Yes, yes, look how sexy those curves are. Woo! Yes, indeed. How sexy are these speakers? They are gorgeous, right? These are Edifier's Luna HD speakers. Now, not long ago, I actually reviewed the Edifier S880DB speakers. Check out that review because they are the best speakers you're going to get, like under $500, whatever. If you're looking for some speakers for your laptop, your desktop setup, or even connecting it to your entertainment system, those things are killer. And the sound quality is outstanding on them. But this one here, the Luna HD, they're a little bit different. Now the sound quality is still outstanding, but these are more stylish. They're more for the fashionista. They're a bit more sophisticated. They have sort of like an Art Deco look to them. They come in red, black and white. And I would have really loved to see the red or white ones, but I got the black ones here. So when I first seen the red ones online, it actually reminded me for some reason of an E-Type Jaguar. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Enzo Ferrari said the E-Type Jaguar is the sexiest car ever built. So these must be the sexiest speakers ever built. And yeah, they'll definitely lay claim to that. Now, whether this Art Deco sort of design is your thing or not, one thing you cannot deny is the build quality and the love that has gone into making these things. These things are of the highest standard. All Edifier speakers have great build quality, and this is no different. It's just gorgeous and well built. Now, of course, this is a speaker, so how is the sound quality? Now, these things are simple too. One of the speakers is passive, one is active. The active speaker supplies the power to the passive speaker via a proprietary cable. And on the back of the active speaker, it's very simple. You have the optical and auxiliary in, so you can plug optical out from your TV or whatever, or plug in just normal mini jack, like the connection you connect to your phone, if they still have a headphone jack. And also you have Bluetooth connection. Now, obviously the Bluetooth is not as good quality as the line in. So if you want the best quality, use the line in, but Bluetooth super easy to connect and it works beautifully. And that's about it. The only other thing is it's got the volume controls on the left-hand side of the active speaker, which you wouldn't even know were there except for the plus and minus sign. And you can control those easy. You can put your hand over it and actually mute the speaker. Very clever design there. 90mm tweeters, and the main driver is 76.2mm, and it produces a total of 74 RMS. Plenty loud enough. These things get really loud, crystal clear, even when you turn the volume up. I wouldn't be using them for studio use or anything like that. In that case, I would be using the S880, but in terms of entertainment for your laptop, computer, or connecting it to your TV, these are brilliant, stylish. And what I did notice when I was listening to it is it separated the sounds, just like when you put a quality set of headphones on, you notice the sounds are separated. And that's fantastic because I can hear all the different instruments and it just doesn't mush all the sounds together there. And the bass is really phenomenal. If you look in that slit there, there's some bass drivers there. It really has good high end and good bass. So you're going to really love these speakers. And for like, what, $250 in Australia, you can buy these now. So they'll be under $200 in the US and under £200 in the UK. So what a fantastic speaker set. And they're just pure class. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Definitely check these speakers out if you're interested in some new speakers. And definitely check out the S880 as well. Yeah, those things are killer. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new around here, please subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, tally ho.